This burger though, the beef just fried like that, looks so good. So if you go to the South Street Seaport, you gotta go to Mr. Dips. They got plenty of these swanky dining areas on the seafront with nice wine, great food. The historical ships are the main attraction, of course. And you can't beat the views of the Brooklyn Bridge while you're here either. But like I said, when you gotta eat, you gotta try Mr. Dips. Burger, buffalo wings, the fries, what do you think, Dan? Is it better than Tonino's?
It is so different. So good. It is so good. So good.
This burger though. So Mr. Dips fries them burgers, which makes them so good, but you gotta try it. And then you stroll around the boardwalk here and check out the sights of the Brooklyn Bridge, look at the tour boats going by. In the pre-COVID days, this place was hustling and bustling every day, all the time, but not so much now with the COVID times. But you can still walk around, check out these old historical ships, over 100, 150 years old, some of them. And there's plenty of places to sit on the water and eat and drink and learn about history along the way. Then you have the promenade to walk back downtown. We are downtown, but we're walking down to the ferry terminal now. Maybe next time we're in the city, we'll get on one of these helicopter tours, but check out my Columbia helicopter tour video. And we finally made it to the South Ferry terminal to Staten Island, where we load up on some Prosecco in a plastic cup. Classy. For the record, yesterday when I came home, all I got was wash your hands, wash your body, take off your clothes, change your shoes from being in city clothes, and then she sits on the fucking ferry terminal.
I'm taking these off and they're going in the laundry as soon as I get home. So, right, Kate? And we're gonna wash our hands, taking off our shoes.
Isn't it nice to sit though, Kaden?
But why do you always have to take classes in the longer video?
I'm gonna edit that out, what he just said.
You gotta keep that in. I feel like that was great.
No, I will.
Come on, that was great.
What curse word did I say, Kaden?
The badass.
I did?
Yeah.
I'm so sorry. It just.
You also say a lot of the other.
Oh.
And you also say the other. And you also say.
How many F's are there?
And you also said the other one.
Wait, what's the bad one he says? Or the bad one?
He once said the bad. He just now said the bad one.
I'm sorry, I didn't even notice I said it. I apologize.
Most times say the bad one.
Will you forgive me?
Sure.
Okay. I promise I'll do better. I won't say it.
As long as you try, sure.
Okay. Thank you.
It's like the police.
Yes. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and click like and leave a comment, will you? Come on now. Okay, vamos. You might like downstairs too, though.
Downstairs.
Yeah.